Hello everyone. Today's topic is the difference between compiler and an interpreter. So first, compiler. So compiler is nothing but which translates a high level language into the machine code, whereas interpreter also translates high level language into machine code, that is our low level language, and compiler converts it before the execution of the program, whereas the interpreter converts while the program is being executed. And compiler will work on translation, linking and loading, whereas interpreter directly it will convert your high level language into machine code. It does not use a linking or a loading concept. Directly it converts your high level language into machine code. So in compiler we are going to get the .c file. So that .c file we are going to give as an input to the compiler, and by that we are going to get a object code. That object code what we get by using linker and loading concepts, we are going to link the object programs and load it into the memory and execute the program, so that we are going to get the machine code. Whereas in the interpreter, the .c file we are going to give to the interpreter and we are going to get the machine code as our output. In compiler, the input program is scanned at a time. So it scans the entire program first and translates it into the machine code. So our entire program is being scanned at a time and being translated into the machine code. Whereas in the interpreter, the program is being scanned line by line. So whatever the source program we take, that is being scanned each and every line, and each and every line then it will be translated into the machine code. And in compiler, all the errors and warnings will be shown at the same time. As soon as we do the compilation process, all the errors and warnings which we have in the source program will be shown at the same time. Whereas in the interpreter, as it is scanning line by line, so errors are also shown after each and every line. If there is any error in that particular line, at that same moment itself the interpreter will show you the error. Whereas in the compiler, the error occurs after scanning the whole program. So after the whole program is being read, scanning is nothing but here reading. So after the whole program is read, then the errors will be displayed. Whereas in the interpreter, errors occurs after scanning each line. After each and every line, if there is any error, then the error will be displayed. So in compiler, the debugging process is slow because all the errors are being displayed at the same time. So for debugging process, it may take some time. That means to recover from those errors, the compiler takes some time. So the debugging process is slow. Whereas in the interpreter, the debugging is faster, as each and every error is being displayed after every line. So as soon as the error is being encountered, then the debugging process will go on. So the debugging is faster. And here in the compiler, the execution time is less. Whereas in the interpreter, the execution time is more, because we are going to read each and every line here. So that is the reason the execution time is more. And compiler is used by the languages such as C, C++, etc. So compiler is being used by C, C++ and few more languages, whereas interpreter is being used by Java and Python. So these are the differences between a compiler and an interpreter. So both compiler and interpreter translates high level language into low level language. But these are the major differences between a compiler as well as an interpreter.